Welcome back, fellow herbal enthusiasts, to another enlightening chapter of our herbal journey. Today, we are set to explore the secrets of radiant skin through the incredible world of herbal oils. Join us as we unravel the mysteries behind the top herbal oils that promise not just skincare but a holistic journey into the healing embrace of nature. From the ingredients bestowed by Mother Earth to the safe application methods and potential side effects, this guide is your passport to discovering the elixirs that can transform your skin. So, without further ado, let's dive into the lush landscapes of botanical skincare and rejuvenate our senses on this herbal journey. Coconut oil. The versatile marvel for nourished beauty. Coconut oil is a versatile marvel derived from the fruit of the coconut palm. Revered for its multifaceted benefits, coconut oil has earned its place as a staple in holistic skincare routines around the world. Natural ingredients. Coconut oil is a rich source of fatty acids, including lauric acid, which helps the skin by reducing inflammation and the bacteria present in the skin. Capric acid is considered an excellent emollient and skin-replenishing ingredient. Caprylic acid is rich in fatty acids that are beneficial for the skin. These nourishing components contribute to the oil's ability to deeply moisturize the skin, leaving it soft, supple, and radiant. Coconut oil acts as a powerhouse of hydration. Its lightweight texture allows it to absorb quickly, making it an excellent choice for replenishing moisture in both the face and body. The versatility of coconut oil extends to various skincare applications. As a facial moisturizer, apply a small amount to cleansed skin for a boost of hydration. Makeup remover and cleanser. Coconut oil serves as an effective and natural makeup remover. Its ability to break down even waterproof makeup makes it a gentle yet powerful choice for cleansing the skin. Applying a small amount and gently massaging it onto the face helps lift away impurities, leaving the skin clean and refreshed. Anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Coconut oil's anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties make it an ally in soothing irritated skin. It can be applied topically to alleviate redness and discomfort caused by conditions like eczema or dermatitis. The presence of lauric acid also contributes to its antimicrobial action. Cautionary notes. While coconut oil is generally well tolerated, individuals with oily or acne-prone skin should use it sparingly, as it may potentially cause breakouts. Patch testing is advisable, especially for those with sensitive skin. Additionally, choosing unrefined, virgin coconut oil ensures maximum retention of its natural benefits. Conclusion. Let coconut oil be your trusted companion for nourished and radiant beauty. Revel in the versatility and natural goodness of this tropical elixir as it transforms your skincare routine into a holistic and rejuvenating experience. Olive oil. Liquid gold for skin nourishment. Derived from the fruit of the olive tree, olive oil is a natural powerhouse of antioxidants, vitamins E and K, and fatty acids. The combination of these elements makes olive oil an excellent choice for promoting skin health. Application. Olive oil has a versatile range of applications in skincare. Its moisturizing properties make it an ideal choice for dry skin. Gently massage a small amount onto the face or body to lock in moisture and leave the skin feeling supple. Additionally, olive oil can be used as a gentle makeup remover, effectively breaking down makeup while nourishing the skin. It's advisable to apply a small amount on a cotton pad and wipe away makeup gently. Do-it-yourself scrub. For a rejuvenating and exfoliating scrub, mix olive oil with natural exfoliates like sugar or coffee grounds. This blend can help remove dead skin cells and reveal a brighter complexion. Side effects. Olive oil is generally safe for most individuals, but it's crucial to be mindful of its comedogenic nature. Those with acne-prone skin might want to use it sparingly, as it could potentially clog pores and lead to breakouts. Perform a patch test to ensure compatibility, especially for individuals with sensitive skin. When incorporating olive oil into your skincare routine, opt for extra virgin olive oil as it retains more of its natural beneficial compounds compared to refined versions. Conclusion. Olive oil stands as a timeless elixir for skin nourishment, offering a natural and gentle approach to skincare. Its rich composition makes it a staple in both traditional and modern beauty rituals, proving that sometimes, the simplest ingredients from nature yield the most profound results. Add a touch of liquid gold to your skincare routine and let the magic of olive oil unfold on your herbal journey. Sunflower oil. Illuminating radiance for your skin. Harvesting nature's brilliance. Dive into the world of skincare brilliance with sunflower oil, a natural gem extracted from the radiant heart of sunflower seeds. As we unfold the layers of its benefits, it becomes clear why this oil has become a beacon in the realm of holistic skincare. Nourishing components. Sunflower oil is brimming with nutrients that cater to your skin's vitality. Packed with essential fatty acids, such as linoleic acid, it fortifies the skin's barrier, locking in moisture and promoting a healthy complexion. Additionally, it houses vitamin E, an antioxidant that aids in protecting the skin from environmental stressors. Versatile applications. The versatility of sunflower oil makes it a standout in the skincare routine. For those seeking hydration, a gentle massage with sunflower oil provides a lightweight and non-greasy moisturizing experience. It's an excellent choice for both dry and sensitive skin, offering a soothing touch. Do-it-yourself scrub. Sunflower oil's emollient properties make it a superb choice for massage, helping to ease tension and enhance relaxation. Mixing a few drops with your favorite essential oils creates a personalized blend that not only nurtures your skin but also indulges your senses. Guardian against aging. The presence of antioxidants in sunflower oil contributes to its anti-aging prowess. Regular use can help diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, promoting a more youthful and radiant complexion. Cautionary notes. While generally well tolerated, it's advisable to conduct a patch test before widespread use, especially for individuals with sensitive skin. Sunflower oil is considered safe for most, but if any irritation occurs, it's best to discontinue use. Conclusion. Sunflower oil is more than a skincare ally, it's a celebration of nature's brilliance. As you incorporate this golden elixir into your herbal journey, let its illuminating radiance become a beacon for healthier, happier skin. Whether you seek hydration, relaxation, or anti-aging benefits, sunflower oil stands ready to illuminate your path to vibrant skin. Almond oil. Nature's elixir for skin bliss. Step into the realm of skin bliss with almond oil, a cherished elixir extracted from nutrient-rich almonds. Celebrated for centuries for its versatility and myriad benefits, almond oil has become a beloved ingredient in skincare routines worldwide. Nourishing essence. Almond oil is a natural reservoir of essential nutrients, including vitamin E, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants. This enriching composition makes it a go-to solution for promoting skin health, providing deep nourishment, and imparting a natural glow. Hydration and softness. The lightweight texture of almond oil makes it a perfect choice for delivering intense hydration without feeling greasy. It penetrates the skin easily, softening dry and flaky areas. Regular use helps maintain the skin's moisture balance, leaving it supple and smooth. Anti-aging marvel. Loaded with antioxidants, almond oil acts as a formidable ally in the fight against premature aging. It helps neutralize free radicals, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The regenerative properties of almond oil contribute to a more youthful and vibrant complexion. Versatile applications. Almond oil's versatility extends to various skincare applications. As a facial moisturizer, apply a few drops onto cleansed skin to benefit from its hydrating and skin-renewing effects. For an extra boost of relaxation, use almond oil in facial massages, promoting circulation and relieving tension. For those dealing with dark circles or puffiness around the eyes, gently dabbing a small amount of almond oil can help soothe and rejuvenate the delicate under-eye area. Cautionary considerations. Almond oil is generally safe for most skin types, but individuals with nut allergies should exercise caution and perform a patch test before widespread use. Additionally, choosing cold-pressed, organic almond oil ensures maximum retention of its natural goodness. Conclusion. Let almond oil be your trusted companion on the path to skin bliss. Embrace the nourishing touch of this natural elixir and revel in the radiant transformation it brings to your skin. With its time-tested benefits and soothing properties, almond oil stands as a testament to the beauty of harnessing nature for a healthier and more radiant complexion. Argan oil. Liquid gold for radiant skin and hair. Discover the secret to radiant beauty with argan oil, often referred to as liquid gold for its luxurious and nourishing properties. Extracted from the kernels of the Argania spinosa tree, this precious oil has been cherished for centuries for its versatility in promoting skin and hair health. Nutrient-rich elixir. Argan oil is a nutrient-rich elixir, containing a harmonious blend of essential fatty acids, vitamin E, and antioxidants. This powerful combination makes it a highly sought-after ingredient in the realm of holistic skincare. Hydration and moisture lock. One of the hallmark benefits of argan oil lies in its ability to provide deep hydration without leaving a greasy residue. The oil's lightweight texture allows it to absorb quickly, nourishing the skin and leaving it soft and supple. Regular use helps maintain the skin's moisture balance, making it an ideal choice for both dry and oily skin types. Rejuvenating anti-aging properties. Argan oil's antioxidant content contributes to its anti-aging prowess. By neutralizing free radicals, it helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, promoting a more youthful complexion. Its regenerative properties support skin elasticity, aiding in the prevention of premature aging. Cautionary considerations. Argan oil is generally safe for direct application to the skin and hair. For facial use, warm a few drops between your palms and gently press onto cleansed skin. As with any new skincare product, it's advisable to perform a patch test. Additionally, opting for cold-pressed, organic argan oil ensures the retention of its natural properties. Conclusion. Let argan oil be the golden thread weaving through your skincare rituals. Revel in the transformative power of this liquid gold as it enhances your natural beauty, leaving you with radiant, nourished skin. Argan oil is nature's gift for those seeking a touch of luxury in their holistic beauty regimen. Embarking on an herbal skincare journey can transform your routine, offering a natural and effective way to care for your skin. However, it's essential to be mindful of individual reactions and always perform patch tests before widespread use. With the right knowledge and application methods, these top 5 natural oils can unlock the secrets of radiant and healthy skin on your herbal journey. Thank you for joining us on this episode of The Herbal Journey. If you found this information enlightening, please like, subscribe, comment, and share with your friends and family. Don't forget to press the bell icon to stay tuned for more herbal wisdom on your path to a healthier, happier you.